Welcome back, everyone. I, as always, am Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade module 5, lesson 13. We're on pages 71 and 72 today. And hey, thanks for everyone for hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate it. The numbers are growing. All right, let's look at today's. Read. Ann and Beth want to put a border around a bulletin board. Hey, like the ones we have in our hallway at our school. How many inches of border do Ann and Beth need? Well, they want to go around the outside. And the outside of an area is called the perimeter. And lucky for us, we have some nice square corners on this perimeter. So there is something that we can go ahead and just kind of know. We can kind of know that because these look to be nice and square, no one's trying to trick us, the other side should be the same distance. So if it's 17 inches here, it's also 17 inches here. It's 33 inches up here. It's also 33 inches down here. So now we need to figure this out. All right, draw. Yeah. We can go 33 plus 33, 17 plus 17. All right, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3. All right, now we go over here. 7 plus 7. Oh, that's a bigger one. Make sure if you're going to do the OPM, the old person math, you put that 4 here. I like to put my 10 on top of the 10s up there so I don't get confused. Now I go, it's really 10 plus 10, but I'm going to say 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So now I have 66 plus 34. 6 plus 4, that's a 10. 0 there, 1 up here. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 here. You can put that 1 up here, or you can just put that 1 right here. So our answer is 100, right? No, our answer is not 100. Our answer is 100 inches. So on the right part, I want you to remember how your teacher has been asking you to put that down. Every teacher wants this a little bit different, just a little bit. It's the same idea, but a little different. So I'm going to let you remember what your teacher wants here because I already helped you with this part up here. On the back, find the difference, show how you know. So we have 93 minus 45. So if we do it the old people math way, OPM, it looks like this, but I have 3 minus 5. I don't like that. And this doesn't give me a warm, fuzzy feeling to help me. So I want to use, well, there's a couple different ways we could do this one. What do we think would be the easiest? Do you have a suggestion? What do you think would be the easiest way to do this? A lot of different ways. I'm going to do something. Trying to think what would be the quickest for you, easiest for you. But I'm not going to go with that one. We're going to bring back our old friend, the place value chart, with our 10s here and our 1s here. Oop, it's supposed to be a 1. There we go. So first I put my big number, 90, because I have 9 10s. So I put 9 10s in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that number, I used it. You can lightly mark it off, but don't forget about it. All right, so now I need to take away 4 10s and 5 1s. So let's start with the 5 1s. I only have 3. So what I do, go over here, blow one up, and give myself 10 1s. Because I'm taking a 10 and turning it into 1, so that's where I get 10. Now, can I take away 5? Absolutely. 1. Oops. Wow, I pushed a little too hard on that. Got a little excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put my 8 there. Now I need to take away 4 and the 10s. I already took that one. This one's already gone. Don't count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 48 is what I got for the answer. All right. For the people who want me to show you, Mr. Short, how does this compare? Well, here's what we do. Over here, 3 minus 5 we can't do, like we couldn't here. Remember how we blew this 10 up and brought it over? We're going to blow up a 10 here, and we're going to make this 13 now, right? Because that's what we had here was 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. But this 9, just like here, is now an 8. So now I say 13 minus 5. How many from 5 to get to 13? It's going to take us 8 to get there. And 8 minus 4 is 4. 48, 48. I'm going to say our answer is 48. Remember, this way sometimes takes longer as long as you're showing everything you're doing. You're going to always get it right. Sometimes here when we're borrowing, it gets us. Yes, this is faster because it's less drawing. But we got to make sure that we can get, if we get this right every time, this will start making more sense to us. All right. That's it for lesson 13 tonight. As always,